Hey guys, welcome back to Post Family Pilgrimage. On this video, I'm going to take you back to Kenya, where we go on a trip to Mount Elgon National Park. Today is actually June 22nd, 2026. It is Susanna and I. There's Susanna right there. It is our 24-year wedding anniversary, so we are here at this cabin right here on the Illinois River, and we'll bring you all of this on a separate video later, but just wanted to kind of take a second to introduce this trip. You're going to see waterfalls, you're going to see caves where elephants sleep at night, and really just take you on a tour through Mount Elgon National Park. So hope you guys enjoy this one. Thanks for watching. All right, where are we going, Christine?
Oh, we are going to Mount Elgon.
All right, we're gonna do some hiking. It's gonna be pretty awesome. Mount Elgon National Park.
National Park.
That's right. And Billy's driving us in the Land Cruiser. We're getting all loaded up and take off. Bargaining for a longer tarp for a slip and slide for the kids. And Rachel's in here telling them how to get it done.
Hey, how you doing? Just one long one. Or whatever you think.
I'm giving him two
Whatever you
thumbs up.
think. Two.
Cheaper to buy two.
Get that one.
Man, they even bargain like that here. Jeremy's getting the tarps. There he comes. There's ours right there. They're gonna open it up so we can see how long it is. There we go. Yes. Yes. Big slip and slide for the kids. This is the best part. Like Arkansas trails.
This is great. You just thread the needle, right? If we have to, we will. Are they black with white stripes or white with black stripes? Have you figured that one out? Make sure we counted right.
From the local communities that lives around here. I want to share with you a brief information about this national park, which is good for you to understand and get to know which animals are in the park here, where we are located, and the type of the forest that we have here. So Mount Elgon National Park officially was gazetted in 1968, and we are located in northwestern part of Kenya. That is rising between the boundary of Kenya and Uganda. On Ugandan side was gazetted in 1992, and it covers a total area of 1,279 square kilometers. Here in Kenya, the whole ecosystem covers a total area of 1,074 square kilometers, but is divided into 3 conservation areas, starting with where we are now. This is Mount Elgon National Park. The size of the park is 169 square kilometers, and activities here in the park is total conservation. Only 2 activities is allowed here, that is tourism and research. Any other activities is not allowed. Just the way God created it, it will be like that, it will remain like that until He will be back again.
Amen.
Here, that is River Takwel. That one passes through Kapenguria Hills, where they generate hydroelectric power. And then after that, drains water to Lake Turkana. Thank you very much. Up to that point, if you have any question.
All right, Billy popped the top. It's getting real.
It's getting real.
He's in full safari mode. Here we go. This guy coming to check us out. What do you think, Hannah?
This is awesome. I think I'm good right now. Okay. I need to move around.
Professional photographer here in front of us. Getting the
You told what these are?
amazing shots here.
Yes, you can just tell us.
These are water bugs.
Water bugs?
The one with horns are the nerves, and the one without.
Oh, you guys.
Oh my god.
Oh.
So cute.
Oh, look at it.
How cute.
Ah,
Get up there by Mama, huh?
yeah.
So this is one of the big 5.
This is one of the big 5.
Yeah.
Aren't you a thing?
Billy's got us. We're in good hands. Nope.
You can say that.
How we used to refer the whites as enthusiasts.
Truly up here and deep in the bush. This is beautiful.
Hey, Frankie.
Here we are.
Oh my word. Oh.
I'm sorry.
It's all good. It's okay. I'm the only one in my family that does video.
Great job, everybody. Good job. How do you say well done?
Well
Gazuri sana.
Gazuri sana?
Yeah.
Gazuri sana!
Kazi nzuri.
Gazuri sana!
Okay. I'm breathing too.
Hey, hey!
Hey, we almost there? We're getting close.
Yeah! Just right here at the top.
5 more minutes.
You're quitting?
Staying right here.
All right.
Find a helicopter.
Mike's gonna get a good picture of you at least. Okay, so Apple Watch said that was 50 flights of stairs. We're at, sorry, I'm winded, but we're at like 9,000 or 11,000 feet elevation. It's winding us. Someone made it to the top, but I gotta show you this view. Look at this. Look how beautiful this is.
When you make it.
Yay! And it's so pretty here. Look at this.
Gorgeous.
Was that a cheer? There's Doc.
Yeah.
Yeah. Made it.
Hey, Frankie! It's good to see you.
Yeah, good to see you.
Where you been all day?
Yeah.
Did you just sit up here on the top?
I did. Yep.
That's fair.
The whole time.
There's old Michael. Old Mike's waiting on you.
So those are the black and white Columbus monkeys. Because they look like they want to move.
Okay. Oh, all right. Stay there. Tell them to stay.
And the old guy is posing for the photo.
They're all posing for the photo. Hang on. Stay, monkeys.
Wow.
These are one of the most shy monkeys.
Yeah, for real.
Because, when you get close to them, they run away, and they can climb really, really high. They're one of the fastest monkeys.
Yeah.
And very great jumpers.
They're really camouflaged in there.
I'm just watching
Maybe
him.
Christine's lens would have got a little bit closer.
That was a heck of a good spot.
Yeah.
Oh, there he is. He's looking right at it. Hey guys. Bushwhacked.
Hey, everybody, come up.
Wow. Mike's getting our picture from the back window. Yeah, someone's had a fire right there. That's crazy. Elephant. Elephant poo. Crazy.
round the tree. But as you do that, be careful of the stinking nettles, the plants.
All those are nettles.
You may have a very bad experience at the end of it. So just to do it, and then the rest of the trees that you are seeing around here, they are the same species like this one. But this one is very old. It is estimated to be over 300 years.
300 years.
Yes.
Wow. We're gonna give this tree a big hug. There you go. 13 people.
With their arms stretched totally out.
Yeah. That's wild.
Now, can you move close here? You began from this point. Ask yourself, in the whole of your life, how useful are you going to be? Like the tree, can you be able to accommodate other lives, like the birds, to put up their nests? Are you going to be useful to other people in this world before we die? If your dream is to reach where the tree is, desist from drugs. Say no to drugs. They are really bad. Especially is it the weed or the bang? The weed. Something that, okay, I was just gambling on the talk. But now that you are special people, that you are somewhere.
We're on our way to the elephant cave. It's a salt cave. So at night the forest elephants come into the cave and they scratch the walls and the ceiling with their tusks, and then they eat the minerals from the salt. And so we get to go see where they live at night.
Awesome. Cool.
So if you're here early in the morning, you can actually see them leave the cave. It's pretty amazing.
Okay. Cool. That's where we're headed.
Okay, go the other way.
Okay, I was thinking this is not the way we came when we came last time.
Oh, so it is that Rachel's confirming it's different.
She said it's on this way either.
It says the name of the cave.
Oh, okay.
I only know that because I zoomed in.
Okay.
Kitum.
There's nettles on the path.
These are nettles right here.
Just how narrow this is. This is crazy. This is the elephant path? Wow. Oh, I see it say it now. Here we are. You don't?
I do now.
Oh, okay.
We came in the other direction.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm fine. Come on.
I need her to
Go left, to the left, to the left.
To the left, to the left.
To the left.
Yes. Go around like this.
Go left. He said to go this way.
We go around like
Okay.
that. So fine. Yeah. Okay. Turn right now. Good. Yep.
Wow.
Wait, tu songa pale nani? Kidogo. Songa pale.
That's amazing.
Now, finally, here we are, and everyone is here. And then, after that eruption that occurred about 24 million years ago, we ended up with the summits we mentioned about them. We ended up with the second largest caldera that we have in Africa. Second after Ngorongoro. The eruption was not that violent. We refer it as crater. I know you are used to Menengai crater, but this one is big. That is why we refer it as a caldera. Now, other features Paul mentioned are the caves. The formation of the caves, there are two theories. One of them being that whenever you don't see, ask for light, and we are ready to provide for it. On
Okay, I gotta get that on video. So like, that is elephant scat. They're saying, hey, we're done. That's crazy. You get your light?
yes.
Are those bats or just birds?
Yes, bats.
Okay, that's what I thought. I love that it just keeps going.
Yeah.
Those are big bats.
This is it. Yeah, they come all the way in here. Yeah.
Y'all need him. He's got the big light right here. There they come, y'all. Huh. Look at them all. Look at them all right there. You got your rabies shots, right, Doc?
I didn't check one, but you said you didn't need it.
I'm teasing. Wow.
Did you have a picture of that person?
Yep.
Good.
Elephant skull. Good job, everybody. We're getting further and further away from that entrance, aren't we?
Don't remind me.
Oh, sorry. Guys, this is so cool. Never would have thought I'd be caving on this trip.
For now, this is where the elephants reach. Initially, they used to reach like another 50 meters from here. Unfortunately, there is part of the trail, the rocks collapsed, and then it obstructed the way. That happened in 2012, when that part collapsed. So it obstructed the animals' trail to where they used to drink a lot of water. We have a very big pool of water. Now, why are these animals coming to this point? Right from the entrance to this end. And how do they navigate to reach here? At what hour do they come? I said at the beginning that in Mount Elgon, we receive a lot of rains that amounts to 1,400 millimeters annually. That is a lot to wash down the minerals. So whenever these animals are feeding, they don't get enough minerals from the plants. Where to supplement that is in the cave. Remember, this is a volcanic rock that during eruption, it came along with so many minerals, like magnesium, calcium, and iron. They walk to this point. They are led by the female elephant, whom we refer as the matriarch. The matriarch must be old, must be experienced, must have mastered the route. When they are moving, they lower down their trunks, and then they can be able to smell. That means whenever they are moving, they defecate a lot, so that they can use that smell. Whenever they lower the trunk, they can be able to smell. And then remember that trunk is something like a tissue. So it is used to feed the objects on the way. But is that enough? No. This is it. When they are moving, we all agree that in the eye system there are two types of cells. After that, they go to the water points, drink water, and we are all in agreement that most of these salts that are acquired, be it sodium salts, magnesium salts, calcium salts, all of them are soluble in water. So once they go to the water points and then they drink the water, then they'll be dissolved. And the absorption process begins. Now,
Where's that at? Oh, yeah?
Yan ang mga taga.
I'm glad I grabbed the little baby here.
I've been gone a year now, and this makes me miss it. But we can always go back.
We've eaten lunch. We're all relaxing. Looks like the rain's moving in. Getting cloudier.
Right, leaves on the left.
Or the Arkansas pinstripes.
We have those at our
Yeah, pinstripes.
The branches hitting the car.
But those like spiky looking leaves.
No.
Switch and go back. Switch back.
And if we can do it, so can a school bus. That's crazy.
And Deborah said she's never seen one before. We've been here.
Oh, they're right in front of us.
They're just crossing the road. They're just jumping across the road.
Yeah, me too.
The kids to see.
Uganda right now? Mountains over there. If we're, yeah. Correct, Billy?
That's Uganda. Wow.
That big
Yeah.
lean down. That way you can get the school bus. You want it? I don't know.
It's just amazing. We've got a school bus up here.
Really want to get some momentum coming up through here,
Really?
up that hill. What direction is this up and to our right?
I'm not sure.
Towards Uganda.
So that'd be north.
That's what Rachel said. West.
I'm going to get a close up of you and I'm going to open it up so I get the background behind you too, okay?
Took over from me. Took it too far, I think.
What were you trying to do?
I was taking pictures of these flowers.
Oh. Just trying to get the picture of these flowers on the street. I'd ask the same thing now.
All right, precious. I wanted the flowers to the background.
Wait, wait.
Oh, maybe she'll sit back. Come Mama. Come Mama. Here we go.
Oh, yeah, it's got a baby.
We could give him a... Yeah, sweet. There we go, there we go. You know, watch him get up.
Closing it all down. We can head back.
where I came from and where I am now, it's a big difference compared to my past. In the past, I used to go to school, clothes, and even some days I couldn't wear shoes and going back to school. But thanks to my family.
All right, guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Do us a huge favor if you haven't done so already. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks, guys.